If you want to know the port number available on the other device, for example, a device is listening at the port number 1234 and we want the port number 1234 as it is listening. For this, open the mobile and Wi-Fi settings and note down the Wi-Fi IP address. So make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi to the mobile and system. So note these details for the future case. Then open the Termux app and type this command to listen the port 1234 and then open the terminal and check the connection to the mobile. So use the ping command using mobile IP address. By this we can know the connection between the system and the mobile. So if it is look like this, we are connected to the mobile. Now it's time to use the Nmap command to scan the port numbers on other device. So by using the IP address of the mobile, we can scan the port numbers. So we'll wait for some time and check the port numbers after it completed.
2000 years later.
Here we got the result. You can see 1234 port is listening on the device. For me it took a lot of time, but comment me down what does time taken for you.